Hi guys, so this week I'm actually chatting to you about something a little bit different. We've obviously been on the road for over 2 years now. We've never really stopped for a long period of time, but we're down in Warrnambool in Victoria, and we decided to stop here for I think all up to be about 8 weeks. And we put the kids in school. So Jack has started prep or kindergarten. I don't know what states, what gets confusing. But he's, 5 days a week, normal mainstream school. We've put Billy into kindergarten, so he's going 3 days a week. And we've got our daughter Charlie into daycare for 2 days a week. So this week I'm chatting to you about how we go about normal life. We're like not moving, we're stationary. It's so weird because every few days we're moving and we're exploring a new destination. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So all in all, it's actually been pretty smooth sailing. And I truly believe that that's because being on the road for so long, the kids have become so adaptable, so resilient. And when they're thrown into situations, they can really deal with it well. So Jack actually started school, I think he missed the first 4 or 5 weeks because we were over in Tasmania. We ended up going back to Tasmania on the Sam Mac convoy, so I had to pull him out for another week there, which he was totally cool with. I thought he'd be like, no, I don't want to leave, but he was fine to leave, and he's back at school this week, and he just took it like a boss. I was so proud of him, and the other two were amazing. There was no tears except for me. I was actually devastated because they've just been in my care for such a long time, and I've got them, they're all at school today, so I'm getting a blog done, and it's actually so nice. It's so quiet, and I'm relishing in this time. Now, usually our mornings, we sort of wake at about 7 a.m. and we have a cuddles on the couch. We might watch a bit of TV. It's a pretty slow, relaxed morning. But now, oh my God, it's chaos. I can't believe it. So I try and get out the door by 8:15, and I've got to have 3 school bags ready, lunches. Jack's got to have his reader done. I've got to remember sports days, library days, art smocks, and it's taken actually me a little bit to get my head around it. And we're back into it this week, and I'm already missing that lifestyle. I do like it. I love that the kids are in school, and Justin and I have had an opportunity to get some work done and just chill out and enjoy each other's company. And we went and had a coffee date today, which was really nice. But, we've been stationary now, except for the quick trip over to Tassie with the convoy. Been stationary for about 3 or 4 weeks now. So we're starting to get itchy feet. It's really weird. So I think it's me that's had the most adjusting because I've had to be really organised and prepared, and normally we just wing it a lot of the time, and it's like, we'll do this or that, but I have to be really on the ball with it all. So I thought with this time being stationary that the kids would probably get sick, and yes, they have. Nothing too bad, but they've picked up a couple of colds and sniffly noses and that sort of thing. So I was a little bit prepared for that, and being on the road for so long, we just really don't encounter sickness. So that's been a bit of a change as well. They've actually blown me away with how much they've learnt in that time. Letters, numbers, it is out of control. And they actually genuinely want to learn. They're on their days off, they're wanting to get out their readers and their activity books and actually learn. So it sort of puts my mind at ease a little bit about homeschooling the kids after this stint of mainstream schooling. So I'm actually sort of looking forward to having that routine, and we sort of thought, my husband and I, about, starting at 8 a.m. and the kids just bust out their books or reading eggs and that sort of thing, and do a bit of schoolwork then. So there you have it. We're back in routine at the moment. No winging it and, changing locations every couple of days. I am enjoying it, but I am getting itchy feet and just... I just love travel. I love the changing environments all the time, and so do the kids. So, another month or so here, and we'll be on the road again. Thanks, guys.